What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have another Ram 3500 build. We started off by setting it up on the 3-inch Cognito Motorsports kit. This is one of the better riding kits out there. Anytime you are doing a leveling kit on these trucks, I do recommend going with a full coil rather than just a top hat spacer. I do recommend that simply because having a new coil really gives these companies a lot of freedom to really valve their shocks correctly for the coil rather than having to be at the mercy of your stock coil with a top hat spacer on. Really cleans up the ride quite a bit. The wheels are by Dually Design Company. These are the Mesh in a 22. We went with the standard Dually front instead of the super single like you may have seen on some of our other builds. This is such a clean look. DDC has the best Dually fitments out there. And then we wrap those into 35 by 1250. These are one of my personal favorite tires. These are the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs. They're great in snow. They don't make too much noise on the road. You can get them up to an F load rating for these Duallys, and they still have a 55,000 mile warranty on them. And then of course we finish this build off with the Amp Research Power Steps. If you are driving frequently in bad weather, I do recommend going with the XLs because they do have the dual motors on them to make sure that you're not caking them up with snow and ice. It's able to break through those. All right, guys, Brian at SoCo Customs with another 2024 Ram 3500 build. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we'll see you in the next video.